Welcome to Dorman Products skid plate installation video. Before you begin, this installation is considered medium difficulty by our technicians. Suggested time of installation is between 1 to 3 hours to complete the entire replacement. Warning: fuel may spill out and you may be exposed to fuel vapor. Before you begin, we recommend as little fuel as possible remains in the fuel tank. We do not recommend this installation be completed with just one person. At certain points of this job, extra help will be needed. To begin the installation, first open the hood and locate the pressure release valve to relieve the pressure. Some fuel will spill out. Next, begin by removing the rear bumper. Be sure to locate and remove the bolt behind the wheel trim panel, then continue to pull along the bumper's push tabs to remove the entire bumper. Once removed, lift the car up to locate and loosen all bolts. Note, these bolts may be different sizes and most likely are severely rusted. Remove the trailer hitch bar by removing bolts on both sides. Begin removing the current bolts around the skid plate. We recommend you support the skid plate and fuel tank carefully. Once free, slowly lower the skid plate and fuel tank. You will need room to locate and disconnect fuel line connectors and hoses. With all hoses and connectors free, lower and remove the skid plate and fuel tank. With the plate and tank on the bench, remove fuel tank straps, allowing fuel tank to be removed and placed into the new skid plate. Install new fuel tank straps across fuel tank and place in slots to secure. Once tank is secured, reinstall, follow all steps in reverse order.